What is NLP? NLP stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. Neuro Linguistic Programming is an approach to communication, personal development, and psychotherapy created by Richard Bandler and John Grinder in California, United States in the 1970s. NLP is psychology of excellence and the technology of achievement and success. Neuro refers to the mind and how we organize our mental life. Linguistic is about language, how we use it and how it affects us. Programming is about our sequence of repetitive behaviors and how we act with purpose. NLP is an accessible model to enhance effective communication, personal changes, and personal development. NLP studies and isolates ways to model excellence and examines different ways people think, feel, communicate with one another, and build relationship. Use and benefits of NLP. NLP is extremely popular in the self-help, therapy, sports, education, coaching, performance, and corporate world, where it is learned through NLP coaching. It will help you understand the source of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, and how to control your life. It can be used to create harmonious and fulfilling relationships. It can be used to improve your health and well-being. NLP is also used for business purposes, to set goals and to influence and persuade. NLP explores how we think and feel and studies or models excellence in every walk of life. NLP believes in work smart and work hard. NLP is first and foremost about action. By using NLP, you can give yourself more consciousness, choice over what you do and the way you act. Using NLP at work and in your personal life will sharpen your skills and boost your achievements. The theories and practice of NLP will help you discover what makes some people excel in all aspects of their lives and will enable you to do the same. NLP is all about mastering your mind so you can master your life. NLP techniques will bring you best out of what works for people throughout the world, and that will work for you as well. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.